Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Marathon the Game error code Salak. The error reads, access denied, failed to download configuration files. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to boot up the game but are blocked due to configuration file download failure. According to our research, this error is likely caused by network issues or interference from antivirus software like Kaspersky. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your router. This solution has worked for some PS5 users, so we suggest you also try the same. You need to simply unplug your router from the power source. Then wait for a few minutes, then plug it back in and restart. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then restart your device. Just power it off and wait a few seconds, then turn it back on and check for the error again. If the error still continues, check if you have Kaspersky antivirus installed. If you do, uninstall it completely and try again. If you're using a different antivirus, either uninstall it or add an exception for the marathon.exe file. Then check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still comes, then check for any kind of pending updates. If you find any pending update, then install them and check if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.